So hey guys, got a new order in. Don't have a whole lot of experience ordering from this company. I have one order from them before. They're it's JJ Malibu. They have a good, in my opinion, good marketing program. They put out a decent volume of new products. Their website's pretty good. They're out of Canada. I'm sure many of you are much more experienced with the brand than I am. Still kind of learning it. They have a good social media following from what I can tell. I tried them out again. I got a few new items. I got a teal thong in the past, which I liked. And it took some good pictures. People seemed to like them. And I figured I'd try them out again. So I got this black item. Oh, that is a different texture. Look at that. So this is a seamless, not what it seamless thong, black and medium. Not what it seamless thong. It is very light. Feels like that bodysuit that I got. Strap. Seamless typically means it's all one piece when it's cut. Can't tell if that's the case. Looks like it's sewed together here in the strap. Probably is, except for that sewn part there. Looks like it has a bit of a bulge style pouch, which is good. So that actually makes sense instead of being squished down. So medium JJ Malibu, 80% polyamide, 20% spandex. That is the kind of the standard for most of this type of gear that you see in my videos. About 15 to 20-ish% on spandex is the norm. So this is very synthetic. It is a bit stretchy in the middle band. Looks about the right size. I think a large would be way too big for me. Okay, let's see what the other one is. Okay, and this one, shorts, similar fabric, if not the same fabric. It's a black, slippery, 1-inch band, 80% polyamide, 20% elastane. So elastane instead of spandex, very similar to what it is. And this has a unique back. Look at that. It has holes cut out. I'm not sure I can even put that on YouTube. That's a tough call. I guess it would be viewed as the same as a thong, maybe. So I don't actually have one of this style. Let's see what it's like. There's no side or leg grips. Let me ride up a bit. I'm not sure how so I got a medium, which should be good. Hopefully it fits okay. So what do you think? Who wants to see these on? Hopefully you know where I do most of my try-on hauls for things that I can't show on YouTube very well, such as the men's thongs and backsides. So go to the OnlyFans site. It will be up in my link tree on the top of my YouTube profile page. I'll put the direct address in the description for now. Do check out my other social links. Check out my other videos here on YouTube. And it's very important to me that you subscribe. If you've watched a video, you've liked the video, it really helps me out if you subscribe. Click the notification button if you want to get notified when there's new videos up. It does matter to me. This is a very niche topic. It doesn't get advertised a lot. It's not promoted that much. But if you're into it, it really helps if you can subscribe. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching.